Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this fork in SolidWorks. So let's begin. So at first click here. So select part and click on OK. Now from here go to sketch, and from sketch click on this sketch, and from here select front plane. Okay, now select spline, and from this point draw spline. Okay, now just match this one. Okay, now put a smart dimension, and from this point, okay, not this one, just from this point, okay, from this point to this point, take this one 200 millimeter, and from this point to this point, take this one 40 millimeter. Okay, now go to surface and click on extruded surface, and take this one 110 millimeter. Okay, now go to features, and from reference geometry select plane and click here, and from here select top plane and take this one 50 millimeter. Okay, now click on spacebar and click on normal to. Okay, now go to sketch and select line, and okay, draw this one. Okay, select line again and draw this shape. Okay, now select this line and this line, make them equal. Okay, select this line, press on control and select this line, make them parallel. Okay, now go to smart dimension and make this one 37 millimeter. Okay, so we can make this one a little shorter. Okay, and we can bring it here down. Okay, so smart dimension again and take this one, okay, not this, take this one 2 millimeter, this one 3 millimeter, and also this one 2 millimeter. Okay, now select fillet, take this one 20 millimeter, and select this point Okay, now again select fillet and take this one 30 millimeter, 30, and click this point. Okay, again select this one and select one, select this point, this point. Okay, now this point, also this point, this point, this point, no. Okay, 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 take the dimension of this one. Okay, we can change this one. Okay, no problem. Okay, now select a center line and on this point just draw a center line and go to smart dimension again, and from this point to this one take it 1.5 millimeter. Okay, now select mirror and select all these parts, and okay, now from select this one, click on this one and select the center line. Okay, now I can select line and join these two lines. Okay, I can select line and from here join these two. So we can minimize this one, this part. Okay, also we can minimize this part. Okay, now again select fillet, take this one, select this part, also this part. Okay, okay, now again come to this side. So there's already fillet in this part. So you can select fillet and make this one. Okay, okay, now exit. Now go to features and from curve select project curve, and for this one go to here and from here select sketch 2, and for this one select this plane. Okay, now select this one. Okay, now select this plane, click right button and hide this one. Okay, now go to surface and from here select trim surface and select this fork and now select this plane. Okay, so we have got the basic shape. Now okay, from here put insert boss base and from here select thicken, select the subject and from here select 2 millimeter. Okay, So this is our fork. Now let's apply the material. So click here, and from metal select steel, and I'm selecting stainless steel tread plate. So apply this one. Now I'm going to change the background. So from here, go to scene, and from scene, presentation scene. Yes, I'm selecting one, or this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so it is on a table, not this one. So studio scene, selecting this one. Okay, so this is the background, and this is our desired fork, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.